Hello. So yesterday we started the future with will. Um, will is very easy. We just use the subject, will, and the infinitive. And for the negative, we use subject, will, not infinitive, or subject, won't, and infinitive. And the interrogative is will, subject, and infinitive. Will is used to make predictions and express an uncertain future. Per fer prediccions i expressar un futur incert. I think my team will win today. Crec que el meu equip guanyarà avui. To express spontaneous intentions at the moment of decision. Per expressar intencions espontànies al moment de prendre la decisió. The phone is ringing. I'll answer it. El telèfon està sonant. Jo contestaré. The suitcases are too heavy. I will carry them. Don't worry. I will help you. Les maletes pesen massa. Jo les duré. No te preocupis. Jo t'ajudaré. And future interpretation, he will do his best. Farà el millor que pugui. So here, number exercise 1, I will move to a foreign country next year. We had to do it in the negative. I will not move to a foreign country next year, or I won't. And we won't move to a foreign country next year. Probably my sister will go to Oxford University. Our cousins won't or will not go to Oxford University, or you won't or will not go to Oxford University. We will speak Japanese, they will not speak Japanese, or they won't speak Japanese, and he won't speak Japanese, he will not speak Japanese. Scientists will be able to cure cancer. I will not or won't be able to cure cancer. My parents will not or won't be able to cure cancer. I will win the lottery. I won't win the lottery. I will not win the lottery. And she will not win the lottery. She won't win the lottery. My parents will play the piano. My parents will not play the piano. They will not play the piano. Sorry, I won't. And you won't play the piano. Will not. And I will be able to ride a motorbike next year. We will not or won't be able to ride a motorbike next year. And then we did this one, which is will, won't, or might. Might expresses possibility, but we're not sure. Yeah, maybe. So palm trees might survive the plague in the future. We don't know because we don't know. Might. People will not or won't live on the moon. It's impossible because it's impossible. Negative. It's possible that scientists might find a cure for cancer. I think that I will study medicine. I want to help people. We will definitely, we're sure, definitely. Here we're also kind of sure. Definitely use green energies. They are clean and cheap, and it will be sunny. Then we can play tennis. It will be, or it might be, both possibilities. And that's everything we did. Remember, will. I will plus infinitive. I will not plus infinitive, or I won't plus infinitive. And it means, for example, creo que mi equipo ganará. Yo las llevaré, yo los duré, ganará. I will do my best, faré lo que pugui. Yeah, it's the future. I will be able to ride a motorcycle next year. El año que viene podré montar en moto, podré montar en moto. Shalaram japonés. Yeah, etc. So that's everything we did yesterday. See you when? See you tomorrow. Bye.